Hello traders, well welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we jump in, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, we are reviewing the DAX robot available for both MT4 and MT5 on the MQL5 marketplace from developer experts MQL Tools SL. Okay, now the current version is 2.0 priced at 1,499 US dollars with a note on potential price increases, and it also offers a rental option going for 1,099 US dollars for a year. All right, so on the marketplace page, it is described as an automated trading system specifically optimized for the DAX 40 index, that is the DAX 40 index. All right, also referred to as the GER 40. Okay, so the time frame, the recommended time frame is H1. Now the EA analyzes market conditions using trend, momentum, and volatility based logic to find high probability opportunities. It aims to remove emotional decision making by handling entries, exits, and trade management automatically. The key points from the listing include a built-in news filter that avoids trading 60 minutes before and after high impact news. Okay, and also we can see that here, and also there is flexible trade direction. You have the buy only, sell only, or both. Configurable, there's configurable trading hours per day, holiday protection, risk controls, daily profit and drawdown limits, fixed or automated take profit and stop loss, volatility monitoring, smart entry filtering, and an on-chart trading panel for stats. It comes with a detailed manual in multiple languages and support access after purchase. The recommended setup is the DAX index or GER 40, and the time frame is H1 with a suggested minimum deposit around $1,000 to $3,000 depending on the account type, and low spread brokers are preferred. It supports various account types including hedging and ECN. All right, so looking at the input parameters and the features, you can customize you can customize quite a lot: the lot sizing, the risk levels, the trading schedule, the news filter, the daily limits, the stop loss and take profit options, and more. The news filter and daily protections stand out for managing exposure during volatile times or prop style trading. The system is designed to run fully automatically once set up on the chart. Okay, so now let us move over to the strategy tester that's the back test that I ran myself. So we're going to proceed to my strategy tester right away. Okay, so in the historical testing on the DAX 40 index or the GER 40, because actually the Germany 40 index, is the same index with the DAX, right? So this is the assets that this is the way the asset was named in this broker. And then you can see I tested the DX robot on the H1 time frame over the past about 6 months, 3 weeks. All right, and I'm using the every tick modeling. Okay, the equity curve. The equity curve shows the progression of the balance and equity, which trades executed based on its internal logic during varying market conditions. I can see that the balance was rising initially and the equity until a particular point where it just suddenly dropped and the account got blown, right? Because we can see here from the backtest that the account actually got blown. This is a $10,000 deposit, $10,000 deposit, and the total net profit is negative 10,041.6. All right. So from reviewing the historical chart activity alongside the trades, entries tended to align with periods where trend, momentum, and volatility conditions met the criteria. You can be able to observe how the system managed open positions with its stop loss, take profit, and any trailing or protective rules. All right. So the trade frequency on H1 appears moderate, focusing on quality setups rather than constant activity, which matches the optimization for this time frame and instrument. The key metrics from the tester also include, the total trades, which is at 54, out of which 43 were profitable. That gave us a 79.63% win rate. All right. And we have a profit factor of 0.39, which is bad. It's not surprising because the account got blown. All right. For the maximum drawdown, of course, you'll be expecting 100% drawdown because the account got blown. All right. So now looking at the risk to reward, you can see that the average profit was $150.03 and the average loss was $1,499.34. So that means that the average risk to reward ratio is very bad. The average loss is wide away. Is the difference between the average profit and the average loss is wide, and the average loss is so big, it's bigger than the average profit by a significant margin. All right. So the drawdown periods and recovery behavior give an idea of how the EA handled losing streaks or adverse moves, while the overall curve illustrates consistency or lack thereof across the backtest window. Now, as always with backtests, these are historical results only. Okay, they don't predict future performance. Real results will differ based on your specific settings, your lot size, broker spreads, and execution, slippage, and evolving market conditions. I recommend testing over longer periods yourself and doing forward testing on a demo account, to better understand the expert advisor's behavior. Now, wrapping this up, the DAX robot is a specialized EA built for the DAX 40 on H1 with a focus on trend, momentum, volatility logic, solid risk tools, and news protection. It could suit traders who want a set and forget approach specifically for this index, especially those comfortable with index trading and using MT4 or MT5. That said, like any automated system, it is not for everyone. Okay, results depend on proper configuration, market fit, and your risk management preferences. No expert advisor works perfectly in all conditions. All right, so take the time to test it thoroughly, review the manual, and only move to live trading once you are confident. So if you have any experience with this one or questions about the settings, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.